Hey everyone, in this video, let's find out how you can delete your Google Cloud Console account. In order to do so, here we are at google.com, and after doing some research on this, I have discovered that you can't fully delete a Google Cloud account, but you can stop charges and remove data by deleting all your projects, closing your cloud billing account, and removing payment methods. That's the key, is to remove payment methods. This process stops billable services, but doesn't delete the underlying Google account unless you delete that separately. Start by deleting projects, then go to the Cloud Console billing account management to close the billing account, which stops future costs but requires you to pay any outstanding charges. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe, and don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you take a look in the description, you'll find a link to our link tree. There you'll find our socials and our top AI recommendations, including Cintra. Cintra is a fantastic business strategy tool that gets to know you and your business, offering tailored insights to help you succeed. Check out our YouTube playlist all about Cintra, and if you click on our referral link, you can get 60% off your first month subscription. Finally, if you're interested in online bank, check out Simply Financial. If you use our referral link, you can get $50 to open up an account, and if you refer your friends and family, you can get $125 per referral. It's a great deal. It's a great bank, comes highly recommended, can personally vouch for it. Check to see if it's available in your area.